Hey guys, welcome to Beats and Bytes. Hope you are doing well. In last video, I told you that I faced some issues in CSGO on Linux. So I'll tell about that today. So the major problem I faced is with the refresh rate. My display supports 166 hertz, display refresh rate, but in Linux you can see it is only showing 60 hertz, and I cannot change that. Here it's mentioning that 60 Hz is the only refresh rate supported by this display, which is clearly not. Now, upon researching that, I find that this is an issue with Intel i915 driver. Actually, this is a laptop where I have hybrid graphics card, that is Intel APU and NVIDIA dedicated GPU. So here you can see that the graphics processor is being used now is Intel USD graphics. So it is actually i915 graphics driver. Now, this report has been reported, I think, 3 years back, and till now the fix has not been, delivered in the Linux kernels. Since 2018, I think, or I don't know, maybe before that. But since then, the fix has not been delivered in the Linux kernel. Now there have some workarounds, complicated workarounds, but I didn't try those. But what I came to know is that in upcoming kernels it is being fixed. So for a long time, this issue is there. The reason is that high refresh rate panel is not common among in the market. But today, as of now, lots of displays are coming with the high refresh rate, and at least 120 hertz is now common among today's market. So this issue has been reported by lots of users since last couple of years. And finally, there's a good news that in upcoming kernel it is being fixed. So I tried the experimental kernel. I have a 5.17 running, but I tried this 5.19 pre-release experimental kernel, and there I could successfully change the refresh rate. So when this kernel is released finally, I'll definitely install that and run that, and I'll definitely enjoy the high refresh rate. Well, the second issue I found is again with display. In Linux, CSGO is having a screen tearing issue. Now, I find that this is the issue with the compositor settings. In compositor, display and monitor, you will find compositor. Here you will get allow application to block compositing. So you need to uncheck these settings. Though it says that it brings performance improvement for games, but it is not. For CSGO, I'm facing this screen tearing issue. Now, those who are using NVIDIA dedicated GPU, not any hybrid GPU, or not in any laptop. In your desktop, some of you might use NVIDIA or AMD dedicated GPU. For those, I think you can directly change those settings from NVIDIA settings, but I do not have those options, so I had to do it from here. And after disabling this settings, I find this screen tearing issue gone, and I could play CSGO perfectly. The third problem I faced is a small problem. It's not much serious, but yeah, it's a problem. So most of you, I think, use bind keys in CSGO to bind your favorite commands. Let's say I bind my numpad keys to buy weapons. Now I find that I cannot bind the numpad enter key separately. it is treated as enter, normal enter in Linux. So if I bind with enter, I mean both of my enter key is binded. I mean I cannot separate between them, differentiate between them. So yeah, that is a compromise I had to do. I had to change my bind settings, and it is now working well. I mean, I had to compromise one of the enter key for my bind. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Thank you, guys. These three issues I have faced since yesterday, and I hope I do not face any further issues. But definitely, overall, I'd say that CS:GO can be played in Linux perfectly. I mean, there should not be any issues. If you guys want, you can try that. It is fun. A big thank you to you guys for watching my videos. Please let me know how can I improve my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment on my videos, and let me know how can I improve, what content I can bring to you guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.